bok choy ako dito at saka vegetables. Lulutuin ko siya mamaya with the noodles and then this shrimp dumpling. Yeah. Tapos may ano ko dito, rolls. Pero maghintay pa ako ng 3 hours para maano siya lumaki. Yan mamaya. Ito yung noodles and then soup. So maghalo yan mamaya. Hello you guys! Good afternoon! So, mayroon na kaming water heater. So, nakaligo na ako kahapon at yung anak ko kanina. I don't know what she's laughing. So, maglinis muna ako dito you guys kasi kailangan kong linisin. So, yan lang guys. Ginagamit ko lang yung shower head na mag-spray. Then, you know, wash that off. After, na may spray ko siya ng spray cleaner. And, sometimes, I like to scrub with this with the eraser pads. But today, just like that. I just like, you know, I'll clean it a little bit. Ganon. So, medyo, you know, maganda pag maganda yung bathroom. Ito yung mop na ginagamit ko you guys. Disposable one. And this is one here. Tapos, mayroon pa dito. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa paglinis ng bathroom. Then, I I put the one here. Storage. Lagay ko yung toilet tissue paper here para maabot in case we need it. So yan. Map ko na lang siya dito. Pag mag-dry, lagyan ko siya ng map doon. Floor mat. I'm going to bed pretty soon, and here's my pajama ready. So I have also with a socks because I always get cold when I get up in the morning because the temperature weather temperature will change a lot. So yeah, I'm cozy and ready to go bed. So anyway, you guys, every time you put a glasses, it's always have this two-side mark, but anyway, it's not noticeable. But yeah, when you're wearing glasses. So before I'm going to end my Vlogmas today, I wanna great belated happy birthday to Brother Bruce, shooting star MS, and also thank you so much for always being supported brand in here in social media, and I really appreciate, and to everyone. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you to my next vlog. Bye bye.